Here we have a 1959 Royal Royalite Vintage portable typewriter. Very compact. Comes with this black leather case. Really nice condition. Really cool. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. It's got a little switchblade paper tray that flips up on either side. And the margins are right here behind the feeder. And you just move them with your thumb on each side. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. You hit this line space, get you back to the beginning. It skips 1 or 2 spaces. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence on the next line. Very nice typing machine. Royal made some of the best machines ever made. And this one is nice and compact. So if you're looking for a nice compact portable typewriter that works great, this is your machine. If you buy something brand new, is not made well, they usually make them from really cheap metal and plastic. This typewriter would probably be worth $1,200 if it was made the way it is now today, because it's just all the parts are just really high quality, and they just can't afford to make this anymore. So you really got to go vintage if you want to buy a typewriter that's gonna last forever. It will last forever if you take care of it. So you flip this switch forward, allows you to pull the paper out easy. Also allows you to load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock, and flip that back. If you don't have this flip back, when you load your paper, it won't load right. And flip this back down. It's got a backspace on the right side here. That works good. It's got a shift on each side and a shift lock on the left side, and to clear that, you just hit the shift button again. It's got a locking mechanism on this model right here, this silver piece. If you flip that down, then it'll lock right there, and that's for when you carry it in the case so it doesn't bounce around. Just got to make sure that you have that up when you're typing, or else it'll feel like the machine is malfunctioning. And flip this top. Be careful when you open this, because this top has latches that might bend or break. This is made out of plastic, this top panel. The spool, all the brand new ribbon is on the left side here, so it's pulling to the right. As you can see, it's pulling clockwise. Now if you want to switch the direction, you just flip that. These little things here will change the direction. You flip it down and it'll start pulling to this side. Now you want it pulling in the right direction, because if you have it pulling to the empty side, from the empty side, and it gets to the end of that ribbon, it's going to jam up your vibrator, and then it's going to make it seem like your typewriter is broken. So just make sure that you have the ribbon pulling in the correct direction if something like that happens. Also, you'll start to notice your ribbon feels like it went dry, and it's not printing, it's dark. And that's about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.